Today we're going to cover how to connect n8n AI agents to ManyChat in minutes, and you're going to get 3 powerful templates for different use cases and the tracking system that you need to track everything that's going on inside of your Instagram DMs. And the templates are going to be included for free. Now, how does integrating n8n AI agents into ManyChat actually work? ManyChat has the trigger for a message, for a comment, for whatever the use case may be, and you then send that data to an n8n webhook. From there, the n8n AI agent processes the input and generates a response. The response then gets sent back to ManyChat via API, and then if you're using ManyChat for Instagram, then the M Tracker is the tool you need so that you can track everything that's going on inside of your Instagram DMs. Now, without wasting any time, let's get directly into the setup, and the first thing you're going to have to do is set up your n8n workflow. For this, all you need to do is import the template that I'm about to provide you with and copy it into your n8n workspace, configure a couple API keys and tags so that it connects with ManyChat, and it's very easy to do. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, and adjust any prompts if necessary depending on the specific use case that you're trying to build. After we've gone through that, we're going to have to configure ManyChat for the specific use case, which means we need to import the template into our ManyChat account. We need to add the webhook URL for the n8n flow, and then we need to configure the trigger so that ManyChat fires whenever we want it to fire. Now let's jump right into the first free template, which is the AI appointment setter. Now, what does the AI appointment setter do? It can qualify and talk to all kinds of leads and have the full conversation for you. It asks them questions, and it can book calls to your calendar on autopilot. And the results of an AI appointment setter are pretty clear because it's infinitely scalable. A client of ours actually handled 65,000 messages in a single month with AI, and it works 24/7, meaning lead to speed is incredible, which leads to higher booking rates of usually anywhere between 5 to 10% for our top tier clients. Now, in order to get the free template for the AI appointment setter and configure it, all you need to do is join the free school community in the link down below in the description, which is going to take you to this page right here, to our classroom. Simply go to the resource hub, and inside the resource hub, there's a module called Automate Instagram Appointment Setting, which has the n8n template, the ManyChat template, the ability for you to actually scrape the Instagram profile and give some data to the account, as well as the link for the M Tracker if you're looking to track everything going on inside of your Instagram inbox. Now, once you downloaded this specific n8n template, all you need to do is go into your n8n, click on Import from File, select the specific file, and it's going to open up what you see on screen right here. Now, once we have this template here, there's really only 2 things that we need to do in order to connect it to our ManyChat, which is go to the set key fields right here and configure our API keys. We're simply going to click on this and use the ManyChat API key. For this, simply go into ManyChat, go to Settings, go to API, and either click on Generate API Key, or if you already have it visible, simply copy out the API key right here. We're then going to paste that into n8n, and this is now officially connected to our ManyChat account. However, we still need to get the ManyChat template, and if you click this, it's going to bring you to this page right here where you see the ManyChat template that we use to actually get the data and send it out to n8n. All you need to do is click on Save to ManyChat, and once you selected the specific account that you want to save it into, you're going to see this on screen right here. Now, what goes on in this flow is pretty straightforward, but the main thing that happened is that a couple variables were imported to your account. Now, I'm going to explain to you how to configure this in a second, but the main thing that happened is that a couple tags were added into the account, which we're going to be adding in down here. We have the ICP tag, the AI active tag, and the human handover tag. Now, the AI active tag determines that the AI is turned on, and the human handover tag will turn off the AI. Now, in order to configure those tags, all we need to do is go to our ManyChat settings, go down to tags, and find the specific tags right here. So we're going to go ahead and get the AI active tag, copy out the tag ID, paste it into n8n, and then we're going to find the human handover tag, which you may not have inside of your account right off the bat. So we're going to add the tag in, human handover. You can name it whatever you'd like, because all we need is to get the tag ID for this, copy it out, and paste it into this field right here. Now, the final thing that's missing is the ICP tag, and this is really only needed if you want to do scraping, and I'm going to show you exactly what that means in a second. But for this, we have a tag called ICP match. If you don't already have one, you can add that in, and we're going to copy out the tag ID for this right here. We're then going to paste that into this field right here. Now, the last missing element is if we want to scrape the Instagram profile of a lead. Now, what this does is we check if we already scraped it. If we haven't scraped it yet, we're going to do a scrape call to a tool I'm going to show you in a second, which you can start using for free. We're going to send all that data to a model, which is going to analyze whether they're an ICP match. So we have all our qualifying criteria here, and you can adjust this prompt in the free template in whatever way you want. We then save those details into ManyChat, and if they are an ICP match, we add the ICP tag, meaning you're going to be able to go through your ManyChat and see all the people with the ICP match tag and know that they are an actual ICP so that you can prioritize those leads. Now, if you don't want to have the scraping functionality and you don't want to set it up, simply go ahead, disconnect this node, and copy and connect it up here. Now, if you do want to keep it and you're going to leave this connected, you're going to need to configure the scrape API key. For this, simply go to Data Prism. I'm going to put the link down below in the description. If you go to the website using my link, you're going to get 1,000 free requests. So you're going to be able to scrape 1,000 profiles for free. If you don't use my link, it's going to be 500 free profiles. So it's totally up to you. Now, once you've signed into your account and you've set it up completely for free, no credit card needed, all you need to do is go to your API key section, click on Create New API Key. I'm going to name it YouTube Video January 3, which is today's date. Click on Create, copy out this API key, go back into the n8n template and paste in the scrape API key right here. This is now going to give the ability to my AI to actually scrape every single profile if we haven't scraped them yet and save the details into ManyChat along with adding the ICP match tag. Now, all I would need to do is go into this model right here and adjust the ICP qualification criteria. So you can adjust this based on what information you actually care about as well. Now, I think it goes without saying that you also need to connect your OpenAI credentials. So simply click on one of the OpenAI nodes, click on Create New Credential, and go to platform.openai.com to set up your API key. And once you've done that, the last final thing you're going to have to do is go to the Set Prompt Values field, because I've actually gone ahead and configured this with a perfectly structured system prompt. And all you need to do is go to your Set Prompt Values field and take what I have written here and adjust it for your specific business. So for example, if you click on Response Plan, this is going to include the entire script, and this is currently adjusted for myself. So all you would need to do is take my proven prompt framework, adjust it for your business, and at that point, you're going to be good to go. Now, in order to make sure that this is actually hooked up, make sure that you click on Active and activate the flow. And all we need to do is click on the main webhook, go to production URL, and you can name this whatever way you want. For example, Setter YouTube December, Setter YouTube January, whatever you want. Click on the production URL right here and copy this out. Go back to ManyChat, and here where it says n8n flow, simply open up that node, click on the external request, delete the placeholder URL, and paste it in right here. Go ahead and click on Save and click on Update. Now it is officially connected and integrated, and your n8n and ManyChat are going to be able to talk to each other and generate replies. The final thing you need to do in order to test is actually set up a trigger. For testing, we have a trigger message contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you would go to Trigger, User sends a message, detect specific words, message contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or you could also do message contains A, B, C, D, E, and you would click on Create and save the trigger. Now, all you would need to do in order to test the AI is go into your Instagram account, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or A, B, C, D, E, or whatever trigger you set up to the beginning of your message, and simply send a message to the account, and that is actually going to allow you to test it and make sure that everything's working as intended. And as you can see, we just got a reply back saying, appreciate reaching out. What's been your main focus lately with OmniFusion and your other projects? And as you can see, it was able to scrape my Instagram account, know that I own OmniFusion, and actually personalize the conversation based on that. Now, once you're ready to go live, we're going to add the default reply, which is going to trigger it for every single message. And for this, we're simply going to go to Settings, Instagram, and in the default reply, select an existing flow and make sure to select the specific flow that we just set up. All you need to do is go into the flow, click on the default reply, and make sure you select every time so that it triggers for every single message. The final thing I'm going to leave you with here is that the smart delays that we have set up here means that we wait 30 seconds after any message we receive to see if the lead sends another message before we end up responding. In production settings, so when it's actually live, I like setting it to 90 seconds to 120 seconds. That's usually the sweet spot. Before testing, you can even put it as low as 10 seconds just to have a little bit of speed when you're testing things out. And if you only want the AI to trigger for people who you add the AI active tag for, all you would need to do is disconnect this node right here, and can hook it up like this. Now, if you want a little bit more of an in-depth breakdown and step-by-step guide on this specific use case, you can also watch this video right here, which is going to explain it a little bit more in depth because I gave you sort of a high-level overview. So if you need a step-by-step walkthrough, this video is going to do the trick for you. So now that we have the AI appointment setter connected, I'm going to show you the second use case, which is smart lead qualification. You already got a little bit of a tease on that with the actual AI appointment setter, where it also is able to scrape the profile and take a look at the lead and add the tag ICP match. However, this one actually scrapes the Instagram profile data, analyzes the bio, followers, and post captions, and tags people on whether they're qualified or unqualified. Now, the AI appointment setter does this by default, but some people may not want an AI appointment setter, but may just want the smart lead qualification. Now, you can qualify by a lot of different things. Are they a business owner? What's their industry? Do they have any buying signals? Any sort of different things. And the way we're going to set this up is by going back to the school community and finding the how to qualify Instagram leads with scraping and AI. Now, for this specific use case, once again, we have the n8n template right here. We have the ManyChat template right here. We have Data Prism, which is what we're using for scraping, and DM Tracker, which ties in to actually track leads. The principles of the connection are going to be the same. So we're going to set up API keys inside of n8n. We're going to add the webhook to ManyChat, and then those two platforms are going to work together in sync to send and receive data. I'm not going to show you the exact setup for this, but this quick video right here shows you the exact breakdown on how you can scrape new contacts which are created in your ManyChat account, tag them if they're an ICP match or not, and only if they are, actually proceed. This also works for the new follower automation inside of ManyChat. So if you have a new follower coming in, you can actually check on whether they match your ICP or not before proceeding and sending them a message. Let's quickly talk about the part that everyone misses, which is tracking what's going on inside of your Instagram DMs using ManyChat. And without proper tracking, you can't see your message performance, which messages get replies, which ones are ignored, what questions actually start conversations, which is going to be your main goal on Instagram, as well as your lead status, who ghosted you, who do you need to follow up with. Now, DM Tracker actually gives you complete visibility on every message and conversation. You have complete tracking and analytics. You have outreach statistics, meaning you can see how your outreach campaigns are performing and what gets you the most replies, as well as follow-up reminders so that you never miss a potential lead again. To give you a quick rundown of this, you can connect it and integrate it as part of your AI setter template or anything else that you're doing inside of n8n, and it connects directly with ManyChat. Everything's going to be covered inside of the onboarding process of DM Tracker, and if you go down here, click on help, you can even find automated outreach and tracking guides. You can find all sort of training on how to use it, and there's also a free call with myself to help you implement this. And if you have questions about n8n, I won't hesitate to answer those as well. Now, DM Tracker itself allows you to track all of your outreach, see who you need to follow up with over time and organize into different time buckets. You can see in-depth statistics on your outreach messages sent, your reply rate, how many you're sending by reason, what your reply rate is for different outreach messages, as well as your follow-up statistics so that you can see how many follow-ups you're sending and what your follow-up success rate is. You can also automatically tag leads with specific lead statuses, such as, for example, hot lead, and assign those to specific leads so that you can always keep track of what's happening inside of your Instagram DMs. Now it's time for you to get all the templates and actually start implementing this. Get the n8n AI agent templates all for free inside of the school community, the ManyChat templates all for free inside of the school community, and the DM Tracker setup guide is available in the description if you're interested in that. Everything is completely for free and has step-by-step walkthroughs. And it's not just these two use cases. We also have use cases on, and it's not just these two use cases that are shared with you. We also have use cases on auto-DMing new followers and tracking reply rates, scraping unlimited leads from Instagram with AI, building an appointment setter with Gemini 3, general appointment setting guides on how you need to set appointments on Instagram, and so much more inside of the school community. And with that being said, if you're ready to automate, get the templates, and if you need it built for you, go ahead and check out OmniFusion AI in the description down below. Book in a call with my business partner, and let's see if we can help you take your business to the next level. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments down below.